Yeah, and when you set the cars down, make sure they are pointing the proper direction in the flow of traffic. You don't want to drop the car down right when there's a car coming. All right, hold it under your face, stretch it out. Take the blood flow, nice, just get inside, keep that ready. So this is a ritualistic thing. We usually have to wait a couple minutes until he's done.
Cardiaco.
Okay, all right guys, good luck. Go on the zone. Go to the shovel, and what is one truck is Polino. I will need to take enough breaks for Polino's exercises. Wow, nice move for Higgins getting into the infield over Strillman. Actually, that was getting on the front straightaway at that front corner table. Look for Strillman. And Strillman at that corner table. It's a walker for Polino. Higgins snap that back on.
Oh no.
Yeah, he's done. So it's still dangerous to the side, you know. Be careful. Look back one. Lead truck is going to be the white and blue truck at the corner table chicane. Then Strillman. Martini sponsored Inspired Ride and get an infield. Red and white of Matt Higgins. A leader going upside down. I feel like Strillman has after 4 rounds. Oh, he goes over again. Oh, Strillman goes for a goal on the triple. And there's Matt Higgins with the great move at the back corner table. Overtakes Strillman. All right, let's start by the line. Jefferson Gross and the battle with 2.4. 145 now through, 16 remaining. Come over, Higgins. Don't see how long Strillman has chance to that. Go to 2. Good eye has to take the inside line. 2 down, 3 minutes to go. Top left for 5 is Joey Brian Gross with 76. Also, Matt Higgins with 76. Jeff Strillman with 17.9. And Higgins with 18.1. Right now, Jefferson Gross and Higgins going to be 5.8. Scott Higgins with Strillman 2.2. Harry shifting to be used and Strillman. He's trying to close in on the final podium position. Right now, he's about 10 on Strillman. Three down, 2 to go. South African has 17-1 out of Grand Road. 76 and I hit it. 3 down, 0 minutes. Trouble for Higgins in his front corner table. They want to fight on the front straight. He didn't, he kind of comfortable. left. 30 seconds left. Seconds left. All right, just putting our ship from Billy, putting that Billy making his way up.
That shirt's killing me. That's so funny. Oh, I should take a picture.